Hi everyone, welcome to our channel BS Civil Engineering. In the earlier video of doing methods of compaction, we have discussed about various methods of doing compaction. In that we have discussed rollers as one method of doing compaction. Here in this video we will discuss about various types of rollers which were used for doing that compaction operation. So mainly we are having three types of rollers. One is drum type roller, second one is sheep foot roller, and the third one is pneumatic tired roller. So these are the three various types of rollers which are more frequently used in the field when we are doing compaction operation. Coming to drum type rollers, these drum type rollers are more frequently known as smooth wheel rollers. So these drum type rollers consist of mainly three wheels, one in front and two in the rear or two in the back. And coming to weight of this roller, it will be having around 2 to 15 tons of weight, and it is capable of doing finishing for roads mainly in the GSB layers. We will be using this roller for doing compaction in case of GSB layers in the flexible pavements. Next, coming to the effectiveness, this effectiveness of this roller will be reduced or decreases when the depth of the layer increases or when the thickness of the layer is increasing. So here if you see, if the layer thickness, this is the layer thickness. So if the layer thickness is increasing, then the effectiveness of the roller is going to get reduced. Coming to number of passes, more frequently we will be using or we will be adopting 8 number of passes for compacting a layer of around 20 centimeters thick. So it was more proven that 20 centimeters layer thick layer can be quite effectively compacted with this drum type roller by taking or by rolling for 8 times on that layer. So that is why the number of passes we will be adopting for this layer is around 8. Coming to sheep foot rollers. Sheep foot rollers consist of a hollow drum with a large number of projections like this. On the surface of this hollow drum we can see number of projections. So on rolling this hollow drum on the ground surface, these projections will be penetrating into the ground, leading it to undergo compaction. The small projections which are present on the hollow drum are known as foot. That is the reason these rollers are known as sheep foot rollers. And this hollow drum is mounted on a steel frame and it exerts a contact pressure of around 700 to 4200 kilopascals. And coming to the suitability of these rollers are more suitable for doing compaction in corrosive soils like black cotton soil, which are highly impossible for other type of rollers to adopt. And coming to the number of passes, for a layer of around 20 centimeters thick, we can do around 8 to 10 passes with this roller to attain maximum dry density in the field. Coming to pneumatic rollers. In the pneumatic rollers, compressed air is used to develop the required pressure. On the ground surface where we are doing compaction, the amount of pressure exerted by the roller is mainly because of the compressed air with this case of pneumatic tired rollers. These rollers mainly consist of around 9 to 11 wheels on both the axes. And the weight exerted by this roller is around 5 to 200 tons on the ground surface. It exerts around 200 to 1000 kPa pressure on the ground surface. And the compaction done is with the help of kneading action. Kneading action means uniform pressure or uniform distribution of pressure is going to take place when we are doing compaction with this pneumatic rollers. Coming to the suitability, these rollers are suitable for doing both cohesive soils as well as non-cohesive soils. Cohesive soils and non-cohesive soils. For both the cohesive soils and non-cohesive soils, these rollers are quite effectively used. And coming to the layer thickness, these are suitable for doing a layer of around thickness from 15 to 30 centimeters. 15 to 30 centimeters layers can be effectively compacted with the help of these pneumatic tire rollers. And coming to the number of passes, here also 8 to 10 passes is sufficient to attain a maximum dry density in the field when you are doing compaction with this pneumatic tire rollers.